Happy Friday everyone. It's lovely to get to say hello to you again today. It's really great to see all the hard work that you've been doing at home on Purple Mash. Keep going, you're doing a great job. And remember, it doesn't matter if you get stuck on something or if you can't do something, you can just go on to something else. There's lots on there for you to do. Have a go at a to-do. Find a book in Cereal Mash or have a go at some of the games. If you get stuck, don't worry. Nobody's going to be cross. We know you're all trying your absolute best. It might be that you have a day where you don't do anything on Purple Mash and you do something off the list that I sent home last Friday. Maybe you're going to go sit in the garden and draw something or go on a mini beast hunt. There's loads that you could be doing. Just look after yourselves and be kind to yourselves. Staying home and staying safe is really important right now, but also being happy is really important too. So please focus on that. Now this week's assembly is all about poetry. I love poetry and Mrs Mulhern did an amazing poem for you on YouTube this week about our fabulous school. And following that, lots of teaching assistants and teachers sent me videos or emails about poetry. So I thought, what can I do? So I've written a poem for you all, which I'm going to share in a bit. But my first poem that I'm going to share is by Kitty in year 2, and she sent her poem to Miss Ward, and I want to share it with you now. Red, red the colour of a rose. Blue, blue the colour of my cold toes. Purple, purple the colour of a plum. Yellow, yellow feel the colour of the sun. Green, green the colour of a leaf. White, white the colour of my teeth. See these colours in a butterfly. See these colours as it flutters by. What an amazing poem, Kitty. Well done for all of your hard work and well done to all the other children who have been working hard on their own poems at home. Please keep having a look at our YouTube channel and seeing what other poems are coming up next week from our staff, as well as all the other exciting things. There'll be some more baking this weekend, but this time with Mrs Braid, so look out for that. Now, I've got so much that I want to say to you all whilst we're not at school. And poetry is a really good way of saying what we want to say or maybe how we're feeling about something. Some poems are long, some poems are short, some poems rhyme, some poems don't, some poems tell a story. My poem is a message to everybody. So it's a poem to you, the children, to your families, to all the staff at Westfield and anybody in our community or connected with our school. Here goes. That Monday morning feeling of heading out the door, off to school to meet my friends, the world's mine to explore. But recently, it's all been different and to be honest, a little weird. Lockdown made us housebound and it's been longer than we feared. The dog is learning fractions at the table next to me. We do Joe Wicks to keep us fit, but it's not a scratch on school PE. Purple Mash, Twinkle, BBC Bitewise, they're our new classroom. And the only way I can see my gran is on a family quiz on Zoom. But seriously though, just for a minute, we really miss you all like mad. It's been a long 6 weeks and I know some are feeling sad. You're all in our thoughts and in our minds every single day. We're so proud of you all and what you're doing in each and every way. You're being brave and trying your best, like Penguin and like Beaver. Your resilience is being tested, but stick at it because Tortoise sees you. Dog trusts that you are being kind and showing love. Work hard together. Be a team and leave arguments behind. Born Westfield, it isn't just a building, it's the hearts that make the school. It reaches further than the grounds, it's its people are its jewel. You, the children, make it with your families and our brilliant staff. Close your eyes now, you'll be able to see us in your mind, just like a photograph. Now, let me finish on a high note. smile, talk to friends and take care. And if it hasn't already happened, someone might try to cut your hair. I miss you all, my Westfield crew. You're the best, you're fabulous. Stay safe, enjoy your learning, lots of love. You're marvellous. Hope you enjoyed my little poem there. It was all about how we really are still thinking of you even though we can't always see you. I'm going to finish my assembly today with our school prayer. Now, lots of people pray if they are religious or if they have a belief, and some people sometimes say a prayer as part of belonging, and our school prayer is all about that. It's about being part of the Westfield family. So I'm going to say it now, and if you want to join in, that would be really lovely, and I can imagine you joining in at home with me. Okay, this is our school. Let peace dwell here. Let the room be full of contentment. Let love abide here. Love for one another, love for mankind, love for life itself, and the love of God. And let us remember that as many hands build a house, so many hearts make a school. And our school is a really special place, even when we're not all together. I hope to see you all soon. Keep checking the YouTube channel to see who's going to be up next, and look after yourselves. Take care now. Bye.